Oh.
Somebody had a lipo fire. Today we're out bashing. We're gonna try out the Kagama on a new 15-tooth pinion and see how long it'll last. And see if it can change my mind with how much torque it has. Let's go. Oh, it's broke. That was a double.
Yeah? Oh. Oh, there goes Tanker.
It's broke already. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Oh,
Good
yeah.
shot. Yeah, we broke the shot.
Already broke it.
Did you?
Yeah, he already broke it.
Yeah, it's just a Kagama.
It's a Kagama. He tried to move the ramp.
Oh, it's because the dog bone's not in there anymore. Yeah, that lasted all of 2 minutes.
Literally 241.
That's Corally tough, baby, with the shock just splitting in half. All right, guys, another day, another working on the Team Corally, because last time I sheared off my shock end as well as broken A-arms. So you know what I did? I went ahead and I'm gonna try out the Spark mod, where essentially we take the Corally Spark products here, Spark arms with these little hardened things on here. We're gonna be converting the Corally over to it today. All right, guys, we finally got my Kagama4 back up and running after putting the Spark arms on it. We're gonna see how well she does. It's like my third time trying to video with it because it keeps breaking every time. So yeah, we're gonna go send her off the big jumps over there and see what she can do. Let's get it. Also put a bigger pinion in it, and I had to put a brand new front diff in it. She should be good to go now. We'll see, because everything breaks on this car in 3 minutes. You know, guys, literally try to film with it 3 times. Team Corally Kagama4, boys. Okay. Good little double there. Team Corally, big sins. I mean, she's rowdy. But those tires are so wobbly from when I did the water run. Spark arms already held up longer than usual. Might have had a triple there. Can we go for a triple with it, boys? Nope. Oh, she took that? I thought it would be broken. Is my Team Corally finally durable? So far, guys, besides the battery popping out, this little thing right here is way more durable than before, like night and day difference. There we go. There's the problem. What'd we do? Finally, I spoke too soon. Got to be the center drive shaft. Check it out. Dude, this thing's just so unreliable. I was just talking good about it, man. Now she's front wheel drive. All right, boys, we got the Corally out here now. We're gonna bring it out to our little sand hill and all of our other jumps that we usually do. It made it on some big jumps, and the only thing that broke was the little bitty drive shaft inside where it connects the center to rear drive shaft popped off. We didn't even have a brake. So now we might have built this pretty good, I guess. Not even too much aftermarket parts anyway. Let's go jump it. Bro, she ripping backflips, no problem. Y'all saw on the big jump there. Ow. Rowdy. Y'all got to do the pinion. Yeah. Take that hit, buddy. My bad. Running a Hoovu battery. Ow, I landed right on the front. What'd you do? Look at it. I just rolled down the hill. She gets on it with this pinion. Oh, you finally made it through a battery, John. Awesome. There we go. Oh, something's messed up. Oh, I bet. Oh, that's what it is. The problem that they're supposed to fix. Good job, Corally. I'm supposed to be getting mine in soon, but I told you I was gonna break in 5 minutes, but they're supposed to warranty that stuff right there. So they have a problem with these cars where the front CV axles pop out all the time. And so they're supposed to warranty them and send us new ones if you bought a Kagama4. But anyway, guys, hope I got enough film to show you that it's still not that durable, but it is fun. All right, boys, come along with me on this journey of a first-time RC car driver. All right, we got the Fury here, and we got my buddy Peyton.
Yeah, what's up?
This is his first time ever using an RC car, right?
I've never touched one of these things before, so we'll see how this goes.
And you know we had to start him out with the Fury, so all we got to do is turn this bad girl on right here, and then here's the remote. So hold it in your left hand.
I'm a natural.
So this is forward. That's throttle. That's throttle. This is reverse when you go backwards, and you use your other hand to steer right and left.
Yeah, I'm sure I'll figure it out.
All right, here you go. Oh. You're not even steering. Bro just smacked the pole out the gate.
God. Oh.
It's fast, isn't it?
She goes, don't
she? She goes.
All right, cool. Yeah, it's like backing up a trailer. Do everything in reverse.
Yep.
How I understand it is you like hit yourself in the leg
and it hurts, right?
I was like, it's a f***ing toy car. What do you mean you f***ed your leg up?
Oh, no, they haul booty. All right, so we got Peyton on the Fury here, first-time driver. I'm bringing the red cat out. We're about to go over to the ravine.
Okay, I'm getting there.
Yep. No, I already see the progress. Dude, just wait till you see what we got over here. Bro loves his reverse. Yeah, yours being a two-wheel drive, it's going to be tough to get it up, but you might do it right there. See where that little lip is? You might could try it off that sand lip. I think you got it. Okay.
You gave it hell.
You did.
I might just pick her up.
That would probably be the best thing. Hold on, I think you just messed the servo up. Here, try to steer real quick. Okay, you're good. I think you jarred the servo out of place, and now it's going to be angling to the left. Oh, yeah. Rowdy Fury. Tree. Look how deep that sand is, too.
It's like some I got stuck in it side by side in West Texas.
Oh, yeah. The sand is real sandy today. But Fury had no problem. Yeah, if you want to, just send her off. Oh! I think you got it. Okay, now you're in deep weeds, bro.
I knew I should have worn boots.
Come on, Rattler. What do you think so far?
Well, it's just dope, dude.
Yeah.
You don't like turning to the right anymore.
No. When you hit that hard hit, it jarred it out of place. Oh. Rowdy, bro. You scared yourself on that one.
Felt like my uncle right before the DWI.
Oh my God. I told you, people just hold the throttles down with it. That's all you gotta do.
Oh, that's all I want to do.
Until she done turtles. Oh yeah, ride that wheelie, boy. All right, aim for the big hill over here.
What, one to the right?
This one, this right here. That's straight.
I don't know how straight she can go, but we'll give it. Yeah, that was me trying to go straight.
Or just, there you go. There you go. Oh my God, you got it. Oh, trees. That thing hits hard though, don't it?
Yeah.
When we go back, I can fix the steering for you.
I ain't even holding down.
You're not? No. It's a runaway, guys. It's a runaway. He's not even holding the trigger down. Look at it. Arrma, buddy. Oh, it's not even listening to me turn it off. I gotta pull the battery out.
I think she's real good, bud.
I like the wind though.
Oh, it feels great.
It feels great.
A nice little breeze you got going here.
Bad piece of junk. What are you doing? Can't believe it runs away like that.
You had one job.
You had one job, Fury. And you make us look bad on first driver.
I know, dude. Now I think all RC cars are pieces of She was a trooper for a while.
Yeah, I don't know what just happened. Something about these red and blue ones, I don't know.
Thought you drive it with a little too much pizzazz.
I guess so. Now it's like the steering's all the way to the right. Yeah, we can go back and fix that real quick. You think you can get her back to the car like that? Yeah. All we gotta do is make it back, buddy. Oh, you got it. Oh, that was a cool shot.
Insurance claim finna be crazy.
I know. The chainsaw claim was crazy. Oh, you got it.
I saw where it was going and I just decided to full sender at that point. It's gonna be too funny to not just commit to this bitch.
Oh my God. I'm glad you missed the parked car though. Sometimes it's really hard for people to miss parked cars. Then you hit a parked car. Come on. Oh, there's the rock. Well, my camera cut off, but you guys missed it. And Peyton decided to destroy an axle, which I've never seen have a problem on here. Good job, buddy.
I appreciate it. I mean, I give it my all, 110% every time I get behind the wheel. That's life or death. You gotta make sure you send her.
Shut up, Paul Walker. But yeah,
Shout out Paul Wall too, but
Paul Wall. But and then the servo, I gotta refix that. But maybe we can pop this back in. I don't know. It doesn't look too bad. I already introduced him as a first-time RCer, and he broke the car, but we went and fixed it. So we're back.
Oh, yeah, I'm an expert. Don't worry.
You're an expert? Are we going in reverse?
Yeah.
What are we doing, Peyton? Nah, it's just tire into body. Isn't it great you don't have to let out most of the time? It's just...
Oh, I'm just sending it, dude. It's definitely on purpose.
His non-driving skill is definitely on purpose. How do you mess up a Fury?
Ow. That did hurt really bad. Steering is messed up. Got to get the metal servo saver. Then the red cat up here. Oh my God. Yep.
What's up, bro? All right.
They don't care, man.
He didn't even look at me.
No, bicycle people are.
Oh, the fake disc golfers.
Yeah, he would have just hit us.
How have you and Zach been the only two that have broke the servo saver?
I don't know.
I have yet to break a servo saver, and I have slammed it into everything.
Big hill, big sin. Don't know where it went. First time drivers be like. Literally. He's giggling. Oh my God. But he has a smile on his face the whole time. It's gonna be a compilation of me flipping this thing over today. Doing donuts. Oh! There goes the tire. He's giggling from over here. That blew the tire. Right out. Womp womp. He's got paddles now. It's violent. Oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. He killed the Fury. Peyton successfully killed the Fury. Ooh, what's that? How did it melt the arm? It melted the arm. Okay. What did you do?
Oh, I bagged me a Fury, boys. Don't worry about it.
I can't believe it.
I'm around Bryce too much.
Yeah, he lives with a Canadian now. Yeah, he melted all of that, blew a tire out, messed up the servo horn and the servo all in one video. Good job, Peyton.
Look, dude, you got to go all out the first time you drive one of these things. So,
amen, brother. Let's end on that. That's great.
Get the most out of it, man.
Oh, that's great.